First up, landfill. Not too much of a line, but we are on standby till they clear the trash over there. Those push the trash back and clear the line, and then we can start dumping again. It's a process. I used to think, oh, we just dump it in this big hole and get out. But no, there's a process to this. There's a, yeah. But right now they're pushing the trash up. So I suspect next week we're going to be dumping up there to fill in this side. Anyways, good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. It is garbage o'clock. Let's get to it. Shout out to Jesus. Hopper camera's working. They fixed it. And by they fixed it, I mean this switch won't hold. I didn't know this was an unmarked switch. I didn't know what it was. But I found this right here. And when I removed it, it switched back. See that? So, what? So as long as I have this on here, it should be all right. I need both hands to do that, but let's try it. So yeah, the truck went to Disneyland, got a Mickey Mouse fix. Totally JK, whatever works. Thank you guys. That was pretty self-explanatory when I saw that. Long day today, cut 8. The biggest cut of the day is cut 8. So we have my route and about 5 to 6 more tons after that. My whole route is about 9 tons. Shout out to Republic. These cans are always touching each other. It's time to tag it. I'm tired of it, to be honest. We're gonna tag it. We're gonna also move it. See where there's red right here? They could just simply place it here. Not too crazy, not far, not a long walk. They can place it here, spaced out, all day long because it's red. So let's tag it. Gonna circle 2 of these. Black can. Place your containers 3 feet apart from other objects. Small street, not a lot of space in front of that vehicle. Why not just place it here? Look at all this room. So that's what I'm gonna hope to get out of this tag. Everybody wins. I win, they win. All right, moving along. The reason I'm gonna tag this can is because it's repeat offenders. I remember this can, I remember this house. I'm gonna do this constantly. This one was even kind of empty, the first one. You know what? That looks like pillows. I think I'm gonna do it. Never mind. No, wobbling too much. There's a boulevard. That's why I think twice about it. Boulevard. If that bag goes up and over the truck, because the cart malfunction, and it hit someone that doesn't do good with surprises, it caused an accident. It was like styrofoam in there. I don't know. It took a lot of space, so The cans weren't even that full, so I'm not gonna tag it. You know, give them a break, as they say on Instagram. Give them a break. Just take it. I can't. This is not my truck. This is not my rules. I can't make my own decisions out here like a madman. I want to keep my job, so I get to work every day before my start time and do the best that I can to get the job done as instructed, not as I want to, as I feel like it that day. I'm on the clock, guys. I don't get to choose my rules each day. A semi-challenge, not too bad. That one looks better. Easy does it. This one was not on the boulevard, and it was not wobbling. It seemed like it was sitting in there securely. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. We got visuals on hopper. Man. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Wow. Look at this. That's definitely gonna fall off. Let's try it. Let's try it. Doesn't look heavy. Probably plastic with aluminum finish. Let's do it. Bam. It all depends, my guys. It all depends. Whoops. You know what? Let me see if I can pick it up with my clamp. I was gonna get off after I was done, but I just want to show you some skills. Oh, you like that? Dang. And just so you know, a lot of people like to say, oh, lazy garbage truck driver doesn't want to get off his truck. I don't know about you. I can only talk about myself, but I love getting off the truck. You know how it feels sitting down for 8 hours plus? Not so hot. Six feet tall, it's not too hard to get off and climb up on this truck. All right. Free grip. Line it up. Pick it up. Clean out time. Not a lot of trash juice, but a lot of dust. Hydraulic level is down, so still have a leak. I closed it. Let's open it up to check if it's empty. Whoa. Nope. Let's try that again. Oh, that baby truck didn't dump properly. I used to hate being a baby truck. Oh, look. Bam. That's better. Hey, there's the mattress I seen at that stop that I got yesterday. Just kidding. I had to tag this one. It's too heavy. I don't know what's in there, but it's super heavy. 8460. Moving along. They didn't even try. Bulky pickup. Bulky pickup, hot dogs. Not my rules. City rules. City rules. Front loader or rear loader should do the job. Before I say anything, first of all, let me say the alley is not a parking lot. So here we go again. I can't squeeze by. The guy right there was waving at me like, you fit, come on. And I'm like, no, I'm not gonna go because you say I fit. I'm the one driving the truck. I'm the one that's gonna make the decision whether I'm gonna squeeze by or not. And this one is definitely not a go. Cactus plant over here, Tesla. And then there's another truck up ahead over there. So I'm gonna stand by. I would say wash your car on a Thursday or a Saturday, because you don't want to get your can missed, and if we miss your neighbor's can, they're gonna get mad at you. I think the neighbors agree. Okay, now that I'm closer, I've been honking forever in the same alley for the first car, and people just don't get a clue. Want to get away with it. Those plants, I'm gonna go right through them. I can't do that. It's not my vehicle. It's a city vehicle. I don't want to knock down no tree. Small tree, but still.
Really need the truck. You have more than enough space to get through.
Did you see the tree? Do you know the clearance that I need for? Have you driven a garbage truck, sir?
No, I'm gonna ask you. I'll move the truck on this side. I can't back it because down there, yeah, I'm gonna jam the rear end scrape to get in. I'm still full of cement. So I'll move up here and pull it against this wall, and then you go around me. I'll move the truck to look. Got a lot of space.
You can try. We can try that.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's about 14 feet as far as clearance on this truck, and that's what they miss. They see that, oh, you know, the width, I think so, it'll be tight, but the height, that's where it's a no-no. Not only that, the alley is not a parking lot, my guys. And if you're gonna do that, do it, but be mindful. As soon as you see something, you're in the wrong, move. Let's not argue. We ain't gotta argue about this. You're in the wrong, get out of the way. You're doing something, moving, all right, get out of the way. I go by, and then I collect the can, and you go right back to what you're doing. Now he blocked this can, because his can was collected already, so he could give a damn about the neighbor. See what I'm saying? Clueless. He was clueless that I needed to collect this can. Thought he would move it for me, but no. I'm the bad guy here. I blow the horn and they make it seem like I'm being difficult, like, oh, you just don't want to squeeze by. Not the case. I want to get in, get out of the way and move on so I can finish and go home at some point. By the way, they're all back there. They all went back, so good luck, because recycle hasn't passed by. And recycle hasn't done either side. I did one side in the morning, and then as I'm coming back, the other one on my second load, I did the other side, which is now. Yeah, recycle's still out. Leaving the alley, and guess who's up next? Recycle, have fun, my guy. You're gonna need it. All of these cans, trash, they're gone. I get this in the morning. My first load. It is 4:20 right now. I'm finished. But we got a call that somebody blocked their cans, so we got to go back and collect them. That happens to be false. I always look at these cans, they're easy to see, and they just forgot to put them out. See? Gone, and gotta come back for these, because they forgot to put them out. Normally nobody really parks over here in the AM, so I'm always ready for these cans because they have 4 here. But it's okay, not a problem. Got to put them out, doesn't happen every day. Let's collect them. We're almost done, at least it's not hot today. There's more traffic though. Voila. Put my stuff away, lock it in, get out of here. You're welcome. Don't forget to drop a like. Load up the truck. Missing bolt right here. You'll see that when I pull. It's kind of flimsy. Also, add hydraulic oil. LA Danny out.